Big precision does not always need a big machine. Welcome to my channel, where we're exploring the best small lathe options for cleaner cuts, smoother shaping, and smarter workshop control. Check the links in the description and choose the lathe that helps turn your ideas into real projects. The number 5 product on our list is Cxrcy Wood Lathe. The ability to transform a raw, jagged log into a glass-smooth masterpiece is a primitive power that few modern tools can truly replicate with soul-shaking precision. Many budding artisans feel trapped by massive industrial machines that eat up an entire garage, or flimsy plastic alternatives that vibrate so much they ruin every delicate cut. This Cxrcy Wood Lathe erases that frustration by offering an 18-inch distance between centers and a generous 12-inch swing over the bed, providing a spacious arena for bowls and vases within a compact footprint. It solves the dangerous guesswork of manual pulley changes through an infinitely variable speed system that ranges from 650 to 3,800 revolutions per minute, all monitored via a crisp digital display. Unlike a standard Wen benchtop model that might struggle with torque at lower speeds, this machine utilizes 3 distinct power levels to maintain a buttery smooth rotation during heavy roughing or delicate pen turning. The adjustable tailstock allows for surgical accuracy, while the upgraded digital interface ensures you are always in total control of the material's velocity. This is the definitive companion for the hobbyist transitioning from curiosity to serious craftsmanship, or the professional needing a dedicated station for small-scale rings and plates. You might find the tool rest requires a firm hand to lock down initially, but the immense relief of seeing a perfectly centered workpiece spin without a wobble is worth the minor adjustment. Securing this gear feels like a triumphant step toward mastering a timeless trade. Your workbench finally becomes a sanctuary where raw nature meets the refined edge of your own creative will. At number 4 is Hightall Wood Lathe. A single spinning block of cherry or maple holds the hidden potential of a family heirloom. Yet most beginners are paralyzed by the fear of a machine that shudders under the slightest pressure. Many craftsmen suffer through the frustration of overheating motors and flimsy aluminum beds that vibrate so much they turn a delicate spindle into a jagged mess. This Hightall Wood Lathe rescues your workshop from mediocrity by providing a rock-solid cast-iron foundation and a 550-watt powerhouse motor encased in heat-dissipating housing. It solves the nightmare of thermal shutdown by pulling heat away from the core, allowing you to focus on the art of the 20-inch center capacity. Unlike a standard jet model that might rely on complex electronics, this unit utilizes a dependable 5-speed manual gear system to ensure zero-failure operation when you need it most. The upgraded stainless steel live centers and thickened tool rest create a level of stability that makes every gouge cut feel intentional and smooth. It is the perfect anchor for the meticulous hobbyist who values longevity, or the professional pen turner looking for a dedicated secondary station. You might find the manual belt changes a bit tactile compared to digital dials, but the mechanical reliability offers a deep sense of calm during intense sessions. Choosing this heavy-duty hardware is a decisive pivot toward a higher standard of workshop excellence and creative freedom. Your hands finally have a partner capable of keeping pace with the rhythm of your most ambitious woodworking dreams. The third one on our list is Artymaster Wood Lathe. Most people assume a massive workshop is a prerequisite for high-stakes craftsmanship, but the true revolution happens in the palm of your hand, where millimeters determine the fate of a masterpiece. Many aspiring makers feel paralyzed by the sheer noise and violent vibration of industrial equipment that turns a quiet evening of carving into a stressful mechanical battle. This Artymaster Wood Lathe rewrites that narrative by housing a high-torque 96-watt motor within a golden ratio steel frame that hums at a whisper-quiet 65 decibels. It solves the agony of bulky, unmanageable machinery by offering a compact 8-inch length capacity that handles everything from high-hardness woods to copper with surgical elegance. While a standard Grizzly might dominate your entire workbench, this nimble unit provides infinitely variable speed control for delicate pen turning or complex bracelet shaping without the footprint. The included professional turning tool combo and a 2-inch chuck set mean you can transition from roughing to polishing immediately upon unboxing. It is the definitive pick for the apartment-dwelling creator or the jewelry artist who demands precision over sheer bulk. You might find the processing range slightly modest for large bowls, but the immense relief of working with a UL-certified ultra-stable base provides a sense of total mastery over the material. Making the choice to go smaller actually broadens your creative horizons, allowing for a level of intimacy with the wood that massive machines often destroy. Your workspace finally evolves into a sanctuary of silent focus, where every subtle turn of the wrist produces perfection. On number 2 is Shop Fox Wood Lathe. The hidden geometry of a spinning timber block can only be revealed when your machinery possesses the soul of a precision instrument, rather than a vibrating rattlebox. Many craftsmen suffer through the heartbreak of ruined workpieces because their entry-level gear flexes under the slightest pressure from a chisel. This Shop Fox Wood Lathe provides an immediate sanctuary for your creativity by utilizing a heavy cast iron construction that absorbs the chaotic energy of rough turning. It solves the nightmare of workspace clutter with its compact 8-inch by 13-inch footprint, proving that massive potential does not require a massive floor plan. You can transition from a raw spindle to a polished chess piece with effortless grace, because the 1/3 horsepower motor maintains consistent torque throughout the curve. While a lightweight Artymaster model might be easier to carry, it lacks the raw physical dampening and industrial rigidity found in this benchtop powerhouse. It is the perfect anchor for the serious student of the craft, or the specialized artist who focuses on intricate bowls and custom pens. You might find the manual speed adjustments a bit traditional in a world of digital dials, but the mechanical simplicity ensures your focus remains on the grain rather than a motherboard. Investing in such a sturdy foundation brings a profound sense of relief every time the motor hums to life. Your workshop finally stops being a place of struggle and starts being a laboratory of flawless execution. The moment the first ribbon of wood curls over your hand is when you truly understand the weight of real quality. Now moving to the last one is Jet Wood Lathe. A single tremor in your machine can turn a week of patient carving into a pile of expensive firewood in a heartbeat. Most hobbyists fight a constant battle against underpowered motors and clunky speed changes that shatter their creative flow and ruin delicate spindles. This Shop Fox Wood Lathe ends that cycle of frustration by offering a specialized 3-tier speed range and a patent-pending ratchet belt tension system that makes adjustments feel like a premium ritual. It solves the agony of rough, uneven finishes by providing a rock-solid cast iron foundation and forward-to-reverse transitions that stay buttery smooth under heavy loads. While a high-end Jet Wood Lathe might offer similar precision, this unit brings a level of approachable sophistication with its massive digital readout and recessed safety controls that protect your rhythm. The integrated spindle lock and 24 indexing positions offer the kind of surgical accuracy usually reserved for industrial giants, yet it sits comfortably on a standard workbench. This is the definitive upgrade for the obsessive pen turner or the detailed bowl maker who demands total authority over the grain without the massive footprint. You might find the tailstock weight a bit surprising at first, but that density is exactly what prevents the chatter that destroys high-stakes projects. Bringing this industrial-grade beast into your shop provides a profound sense of relief every time the motor hums into its high-torque sweet spot. Your garage is no longer just a storage space, but a high-performance studio where raw timber is finally tamed by superior engineering. So guys, this was the video about the best small lathe. We've carefully covered some of the best options available right now to help you make a smarter and more confident decision. Whether you're looking for performance, durability, value for money, or the latest features, this guide was designed to give you a clear and practical overview so you can pick what truly fits your needs. If any of the products we mentioned caught your interest, you'll find all the links conveniently placed in the description below. Make sure to check them out for more details, updated pricing, and availability. Taking a moment to explore those links can really help you choose the right option without any confusion. If you found this video helpful or enjoyed the content, don't forget to hit the like button. Your support means a lot and helps us keep creating more useful and high-quality videos for you. Also, be sure to subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest uploads. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.